Now let's go back to Jennifer for an update on all the latest motor news.
Ever since its introduction in 1998, the Acura 3.2 TL has been one of the hottest selling cars on the planet. And with the recent debut of the new 2002 TL Type S, Acura is turning up the heat another notch. And that increase in temperature comes courtesy of a 3.2-liter single overhead cam 24-valve VTEC V6 power plant that first appeared in the 2001 CL Type S Coupe. It leads the class with a sizzling 260 horsepower, and its peak 232 pound-feet of torque is evenly distributed across the broad power band from 3,500 to 5,500 RPM. The TL Type S has also received tweaks to its double wishbone multi-link suspension to complement the additional power. These include stiffer springs, higher shock compression and rebound damping, and a larger diameter stabilizer bar at the rear. A variable torque sensing rack and pinion steering unit provides directional control, while a smooth 5-speed automatic transmission with a sequential sport shift mode ensures an even application of power. And a standard vehicle stability assist program and traction control make sure it stays that way. The TL's sleek bodywork also features a redesigned front end that shows off new xenon high-intensity discharge headlights, a more aggressive grille, and integrated fog lamps that are now standard equipment. Inside, the TL Type S is fitted with plush and supportive perforated leather seats, with the driver and front passenger getting standard power adjustments and heated surfaces. Metallic face gauges are also special to the Type S, while both TL models now come with a standard in-dash 6-disc CD changer. Pricing has not yet been established for the new TL and TL Type S, but base price on the TL model is expected to remain at just under $30,000. Type S models are expected to be about $2,500 more. You can look for the 2002 Acura TL and TL Type S to arrive in dealer showrooms mid-March this year. And that's it for this week's Motor News.